Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you are stuck choosing between Invideo and Filmora in 2025, this video is for you. So I will break down the key difference, pricing, ease of use, features, and which one might be better for you. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So here actually you can see we are already landed in Filmora platform and Invideo platform. Here actually you can see it. So here we have a couple of examples also. So let's describe more. So first of all, we will talk about what they are actually. So first, a quick intro. Like Invideo is a web-based AI video editor. It is super popular for quick template-based videos, text to video, than social media content. On the other hand, Filmora is a downloadable video editing software great for beginners who want more manual control and advanced effects. So basically, Invideo is equal to fast and online, and Filmora is equal to more creative freedom on your desktop. So let's talk about the ease of use, like which one is very easy to use. So when it comes to ease of use, both are beginner friendly but in different ways. Like in video, you can literally type a script. Here you can see that we can make video through these options. Then you can see the Invideo Studio. Here you will find out then we can make video with link to video. Like here literally we just need to type a script, choose a style, and let AI build your video. Use time saver for content creators and marketers. On the other hand, Filmora, here you can see, let's remove all this. Here you can see that Filmora products. So Filmora is a drag and drop tool, but you will spend more time arranging clips, adding transition, then fine tuning effects. So if you want more control, Filmora wins. If you want speed and automations, Invideo takes it. Let's talk about the feature of both platforms. Like Filmora has tons of creative tools. Here you can see that they have resources like this, then they have products. So here they have features like video, audio, text, assets. So Filmora has tons of creative tools, green screen, motion tracking, keyframing, and lots of effect. Perfect if you want YouTube video, vlogs, tutorials, or cinematic edits. Invideo is built around templates. Here you can see Invideo have a studio, they have templates, video, business video template, YouTube video templates, many more. So I can say that Invideo is built around templates, intros, promos, videos, ads, and now AI tools like script generations and text to video. One big plus in video is 100% online, so you don't need a powerful PC. But if you want more detailed editing and layers and effect, Filmora is more efficient for you and powerful also. So let's talk about the pricing of platform. So here you can see the Invideo pricing. So Invideo has a free plan actually, but with a watermark. Then you just need to purchase the paid plan if you want to remove the watermark, and it starts around $15 per month depending on export limits and AI features. On the other hand, Filmora has on-time free or an annual plan around $15 to $18 per year, or a perpetual license for about $19. So long-term Filmora can be more affordable if you have subscriptions. Then let's talk about which one should you pick. So if you need to pump out social video fast, use artificial intelligence to write a script, or you just want everything online, no installations, then you can actually go with the Invideo. There is no such a work to work with Invideo. But if you want to learn editing and cool effects and have more manual content for serious YouTubers, Filmora is probably the better choice for you. For social media, I can say Invideo AI template can save hours of time. So I hope you understand the comparison between Filmora and Invideo. Alright, that's it for today. Invideo based Filmora in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you are learning towards. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparison, and I will see you in the next one with an interesting topic again.